Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a PayPal business account in the USA. This is super useful if you're running a business, accepting payments online, or setting up your store. And by the way, make sure that you're using the correct and updated PayPal website version since interfaces may vary depending on your region and browser. So yeah, let's get started. So once you're on the official PayPal website, what you will have to do is click sign up at the top right, which is right here. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is just choose from these two options. So it's either personal or business. So what you will have to do is select business, and then you will just have to click get started or next, and then just wait for it to load. And yeah. So once you're here, what you will have to do is just fill out all of this correctly. So, of course, your first name, your middle name, last name, and your phone number and your email address, then your password. And make sure that your password is strong so that no one would get access to it. So yeah, anyway, once you've filled out everything, you will just have to click agree and create an account. And PayPal may ask for your information like your date of birth, nationality, last four digits of SSN or ITIN for US residents. But if you're not a US resident, then you may only need your passport ID or your driver's license. So yeah, after that, you will just have to confirm your email address by going to your inbox, and then you will open your PayPal's verification email, and then you will click confirm email. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.